morning for breakfast. So we're just gonna have some rolled oats with some almond butter, some raisins, bananas, and I like to put a few little chocolate chips on top just because I like chocolate. So I just put those on top and I'm gonna eat that for breakfast. You got your blocks? You got a mess going on in here. Your chair flipped over. Woody! Woody and Fishy? Is that Nemo? Yeah? Mm-hmm. What? Yeah? Fishy? Today's snack is the vegan mozzarella sticks that I made. If you want the recipe, just let me know in the comments below if you're interested in seeing how I make these vegan mozzarella sticks. I'm gonna take a dip in the tomato sauce and a bite. Really good. I went to the store, picked up a few things from Albertsons, so I decided to make some Thai spring wraps. So I got my tofu over here, just being seared with some teriyaki sauce. And I have my cellophane noodles or bean threads, whatever you want to call them. Just going to let them soak in some hot water. And get my vegetables all prepped so then we can have that for lunch. And I'm just going to be using these spring roll wraps, rice paper wraps. And they're so good. We love eating these pretty often. But I'm gonna make a almond butter dipping sauce with a sriracha to make it kind of spicy. So yeah, so that's what we're gonna have today. So hope you guys are doing well. Show you guys how to make an easy vegan garlic bread. You just need a loaf, balanced butter. And I'm gonna smear it on there. Just spread it on. If it's room temperature, it helps and spreads a little bit easier, but if it's really cold, then it's okay. You just have to spread it a little harder. Italian seasoning. Okay, I'm going to show you guys how I make my vegan Parmesan cheese using cashews, some raw cashews, and a high-speed blender, and I like to put it in a mason jar that I keep in the fridge. So all you'll need is cashews and nutritional yeast. You can find this at Walmart or anywhere where they sell like health food stuff. You can get some nutritional yeast. Now to season it, I like to add onion powder and garlic powder. I also like to add some salt, but you can opt that out if you are being cautious about how much salt you are intaking. But I always make my Parmesan cheese with salt. So I'm going to just grab about a handful of raw cashews, just a little pinch of a couple more. That should do it. Then I'm going to take my nutritional yeast, and I'm going to do about I would just say about 1/4 of a cup of nutritional yeast. Like, let's see what 1/4 of a cup. Yeah, like 1/4 of a cup or less of nutritional yeast that I put in here. So there you go. Add my onion powder. I add garlic powder, and I just add flavor to my liking. So I like a lot of garlic, so I add plenty of garlic powder, and then I'm going to add about a teaspoon of kosher salt. Now I just want to blend this up. All the ingredients must be dry. Make sure that the blender is dry as well, and the blades, or you won't get the results that you're looking for. So here we go. Just going to go ahead and turn this on. A little bit more. There we have it. Okay. Nice. It's literally like regular Parmesan cheese that you would buy at the store, right? You save a lot of money when you make things from scratch by yourself. So there you go. There's some Parmesan cheese. I like to store it in a mason jar that I keep in the fridge. This lasts, depending on how often we use it, it can last up to 1 to 2 months. But normally it doesn't last that long because we eat it so fast. So I'm gonna taste it. It's so good. So yummy. So good. Delicious on spaghetti and lasagna. Even when you do like Alfredo dishes or other dishes that might like some creamy spinach. Even like a spinach dip. You can even add that in there. It's really good. So I just store it in my mason jar and keep it in the fridge. So like I said, it could last up to a month, but this amount that I normally make is gone before the month even ends. So there you go. Easy vegan Parmesan cheese. Wow, Zidane over there doing something too. What are you doing? Wow, what is that little leg doing? Wow, look at that flip.
And bye.
Good morning. Today is Wednesday. Just woke up and Zidane's in my arms. But today we're just going to have something very simple for breakfast. I just got some hash browns in the air fryer that I'm heating up. And I'm going to probably get him this kite almond yogurt. This is really good if you like a really tart yogurt, but it's really good. If you haven't tried it, definitely check it out. It's called Kite Hill. So it's the peach flavor is what we're going to eat today. Breakfast. He has some yogurt, half of a hash brown, bananas, and strawberries. He eats yogurt. Yeah. Yourself. This piece. Hey everybody, we are in the car about to head to the recreational center for Zidane's last day of swim class. Tomorrow is just a play day, so this is actually the last session for the week, and we are happy about that because it's been a long 2 weeks of swim class and pretty much a long 4 weeks because we had Zion's swimming class as well, but now he's done, so that is very exciting that that's all over with. So we're about to head there, and it's a beautiful day.